Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. Today we are going to speak about the onboard aircraft clock. Onboard aircraft clock. Do we have on board the aircraft a clock? Yes. What systems may need the clock? Maybe centralized default display system, the main system for maintenance data, maybe for aircraft systems. Okay, so all of these need an aircraft clock. So we have on board the aircraft a clock to give the time reference and the date reference to some other onboard aircraft systems. Okay, everybody, so as you can see here, onboard aircraft clock provide a time reference for several of the onboard aircraft systems. Also, the ACARS aircraft communication and addressing reporting system needs the time reference and the date reference. Okay, everybody, so as you can see here, this system include aircraft communication, addressing and reporting system, engine maintenance system, and the general aircraft systems maintenance. On board the aircraft, we always have a CFDS, Centralized Fault Display System, or CFDIU, which is the computer for Centralized Fault Display Interface Unit. Okay, everybody? This maintenance computer may need the onboard clock for time reference and date reference. So everybody onboard clocks additionally may display UTC, Universal Coordination Time, UTC time, local time, and the date. They can also be used to time flight maneuvers and the flight sectors. Pilot may need the onboard clock to time flight maneuvers and the time flight sectors. Also, we have on the onboard clock, we may have a chronometer or chrono, like a stopwatch. Okay, because some procedure into normal procedure or abnormal procedure may ask the pilot to do a timely operation of a system. So you need to operate a stopwatch to operate this system for certain time, like for the starter. Okay, some aircraft components having what it called duty cycle. Some aircraft component have what it called the duty cycle. So in order to operate this component, you must assure that you are not exceeding the limitation of timing of operation of this component. Otherwise, it may fail and it may take us to other big problem. So all the components that having duty cycle, like the starter of the engine, okay, you need to operate this component maybe with a reference to a stopwatch or chronometer. Okay, everybody? So this was our session for today. We speak about the onboard clock and we speak about the importance of having an onboard clock inside the cockpit of the aircraft, and it is a major instrument inside the cockpit for operation of other aircraft system, specifically the maintenance system, and also for the components that do have duty cycle. Thank you always for your good listening, and always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Please stay tuned for an upcoming sessions like this. Thank you and goodbye.